Hi folks, Larry here. Today we're going to show you how to use an air compressor to blow out your water drain line for your air conditioner. It's very hard to use a wire fish because they'll tangle up on the 90-degree pipes. I've kind of marked that one here so you see. This is a plug that goes to the actual unit itself. I really don't expect any water to come out of that. That's normally only if it's actually blocked and it's running in the house and you have a flood, you can kind of notice it. But I'm going to pull the plug just to make sure. The track I have there is just to catch any water that does run out, and I can direct it into a bucket instead of running down into the unit. I really don't expect any water, but we're going to pull it out anyway and just check it so you can see what you do there. I'm just using a 1/2-inch extension. That's all it is. It's a 1/2-inch square hole there. We'll just put it back in. The pipe that's to the right of it, you can see it a little bit in the picture there. That one's going to be the drain pipe for the actual unit where the water drains outside. That's the one you want to really clean out. Okay, this just pulls off. Now you want to use an air nozzle that's long enough to go down, that goes past the top pipe. If you don't go past the top pipe, you can be blowing back into the unit. You want to blow it away from the unit. Now, I put a rubber hose and then a piece of foam I cut that I put on the top. And what that will do is it keeps it from blowing any water, any junk back out that way at you. And it creates the pressure you need in the line. I usually press about 100 pounds of pressure going in there. So I just put this in there like this. That seals the top so the air won't escape. And it takes it down far enough to clear that top pipe. Always blow out, never blow in. Blow in, you're going to blow it back into the unit and into your house. You always want to blow it out. This is where the pipe comes out outside, where normally you can go out and check and you'll see it dripping if it's working right. All that junk on the ground there, that's what blew out of the pipe. If you don't clean this out every now and then, it's going to restrict the pipe and then you're going to have a flood in your house. And believe me, an air conditioner can put a lot of water out. So I hope this has been some help to you. Please enjoy. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching.